Okay, mashallah, I wanted to show you this sandwich because I'm kind of doing a sandwich week. So this is on a jalapeno sourdough, right? So between here is a layer of giardiniera, which is minced, pickled cauliflower, carrots, pepperoncinis, and red bell peppers. Okay, so that's, you can't really see it. There you go, you can kind of see the layer, right? Mayonnaise, turkey, beef salami, Havarti cheese, fresh tomato, and baby spinach and arugula. So this is a really unique sandwich you can try. Hopefully you like it because the pepperiness of the arugula and the jalapenos are a really nice touch, as well as the pepperoncinis. And the salami and Havarti, they go very well together. And the acidity of the tomatoes with the pickled vegetables is a nice touch as well. You could try it with some Dijon mustard, but I'd argue mayonnaise is sufficient. So hopefully you can try it and have a good day.